Good morning to you. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Alright guys, welcome back. I just woke up, I got out the shower, and I'm feeling great and good. It is time to cook something healthy and good this morning. Healthy and good, that's two things. Oh, I'm knocking them out the box. So what I'm going to show you how to do 90-second keto bread. On top of that, I'm going to show you how I make my good old remix to McDonald's sandwich. I mean, it ain't looking like a McDonald's sandwich, but it tastes better than a McDonald's sandwich. Guess what? It ain't even McDonald's sandwich. It's great. Great morning to be you. So let's head on downstairs to the kitchen. I'm going to show you how to cook the most beautiful, awesome sandwich ever. Doesn't take that many ingredients. And this sandwich, you be full all day. Not half a day, not a little bit. You ain't going to need a snack or a lunch in between, but all day. So follow me in the kitchen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First thing first, I'm going to make the 90-second keto bread. It doesn't take that many ingredients and it's simple and easy. And if you haven't made it and you're on low carb keto, you are missing out. So only thing we need is some almond flour. You need 3 tablespoons of almond flour. This is the brand that I like to use. When you are measuring out the almond flour, make sure you level it off so that you're getting the right measurements. So add your almond flour to a little mixing bowl, like so. Then you want to add baking powder. You want to add a half a teaspoon of baking powder in your mixture. You want to find some seasonings that you like and will be flavorful for you. I like using this. It's morning breakfast seasoning. Add a few dashes of that in there. And you want to add your dry ingredients first and whisk it up. Make sure you don't have any clumps or anything going on. Then you want to go ahead and add an egg white. Now you can take a large egg and separate it, but I don't buy eggs like that on a regular, so I have a carton of egg whites right here. If you take 2.5 tablespoons of egg whites, it comes out to be the same as if you crack the egg and you put it in there. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm doing. After you add your egg whites in there, you want to go ahead and add a tablespoon and a half of melted butter. Or if you have liquefied butter, you can do that as well. It really doesn't matter. And add them 2 ingredients to your dry mixture like so. Once you get to add all the ingredients, you just want to make sure you incorporate everything very well. And it should be mixed as if it's going to come out to be like a little cake mixture. So let's mix this up, and then I'm going to show you the mixture of how it should look. So make sure you get all the flour and the baking powder and your seasoning incorporated with the egg white and butter. And if you ever make cornbread or if you ever make cake, I want to say this is more like a cornbread mixture instead of a cake, because the cake is a little bit thicker than this, but like a cornbread mixture. Alright, so that's what it should look like when you get done mixing everything up. Now, I went ahead and went to the Dollar Tree and I found me like a little bread container. It's really cute because your bread mixture actually comes out that shape. I cooked some before I got on here, which you see is steaming. I did not grease it or anything. When I take it out, it's fluffy, it's light, it's really hot, so I'm going to sit it down. But I have one I made earlier. It's fluffy, it's light, and it looks just like a bread loaf or a little cut of bread. Once it cooled down, you want to put it on the rack, because you can see that one is steaming back there. And we're just going to half this, and you're going to have 2 slices of bread. If your mixture came out correctly, you're just going to dump it in your bowl like so. Or you can cook this in a bowl or any shape that you want it to be in. Some people cook it like in a little bowl to make English muffins, but I prefer the bread shape. Make sure you get all your ingredients out of there. Do not leave anything. And you should be able to shift and shake it around like so. And once you do that, you just pop the lid on there and you put it in the microwave for 90 seconds. That's it, and that's all. Simple, easy. So that's part 1 of our meal prep. Alright guys, right here I just want to show you some more opportunities that you can use this 90-second keto bread for. Right now I'm just making me a breakfast sandwich. I put some pepper jack cheese on top of 1/2 of my slice of keto bread. I actually just went ahead and put some butter at the bottom, put it in the pan, put the pepper jack cheese, my little white egg loaf, a slice of bacon, the other half of the pepper jack cheese. Then I'm going to take the top half of the bread and just put a little bit of butter on there. And I'm going to sit it on top. I'm going to make sure my other side is brown really well. And then I'm going to give it a nice little flip. And it's multiple things you can do with this keto bread. You can make it sweet, you can toast it, or you can just make a plain breakfast sandwich, a lunch sandwich, or the best thing yet is a grilled cheese. I just want to show you some options that you can use this 90-second keto bread for, and really the whole family will like it and will not miss out. Look how good that looks. Alright, till next time, like, subscribe, and join.